Sholini TV. News from the campus.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 39th edition of the weekly Sholini TV. I am Arushi with the news bulletin for the week. Here are the headlines. Autobiography of Sholini Chancellor released. Prerna Divas celebrated in the campus. Researchers from Sholini developed incubated and laminar flow. We start with the news of the first Sholini Literature Festival. Here are the details.
Sholini University's Department of English organized the first edition of Sholini Literature Festival in the virtual mode last weekend. It featured several well-known names like Shubha Mudgal, Irshad Kamil, Mahesh Dattani, Geeta Hariharan and about 60 other speakers. The festival was inaugurated by the President of the Foundation for Life Sciences and Business Management, Mrs. Saroj Khosla. Day 1 of the Literature Festival began with the prologue by Mukesh Williams on Literature Makes the World Go Round. It was followed by Meet the Author, which featured Mahesh Dattani. Ashish Khosla moderated the Meet the Author with Sidin Wadakut. This fest was live streamed on Facebook and YouTube. Day 2 was purely artistic session. It started with a session on evolution of Hindi film script, followed by Meet the Author session with Geeta Hariharan and Dr. Meera Kant. A Hindi poetry session by Madhav Kaushik, Chandra Trikha and Rekha Vashish set the tempo high in the Literature Festival. Eminent Bollywood lyricist Irshad Kamil's session made the Literature Festival pure bliss with his thoughts and poems. The program was moderated by Mrs. Ashu Khosla.
तो इरशाद जी शुरू करते हैं बिकॉज आपके म्यूजिक लिरिक्स से शुरुआत की है तो उसी से बातचीत आगे बढ़ाते हैं. तो कहते हैं कि पहला जो होता है वो बहुत स्पेशल होता है, पहला बहुत प्रिय होता है, जैसे कि पहली सैलरी या पहला पहला प्यार या मॉनसून की पहली बारिश. तो आपका पहला जो गाना जो आपने फिल्मों के लिए लिखा वो कौन सा था, याद है, और कब लिखा? और जब आपने उसको सुना, बनकर वो गाना तैयार हुआ, रेडियो पर बजते हुए पहली बार सुना या पर्दे पर देखा, तो क्या महसूस किया, कुछ बताएं.
जी, मैं पहली जो आपने बात की कि पहला पहला बहुत प्यारा होता है, वो आपने बिल्कुल सही बात की. मुझे पर साथ साथ ऐसा भी लगता है आशु जी के दूसरा और तीसरा भी बुरा नहीं होता, भले वो सैलरी हो चाहे प्यार हो. तो मेरा इस सिलसिले में एक शेर है कि हमारे बिना अकेले में हमको पुकारा करेगा, हमारे बिना क्या गुजारा करेगा. अकेले में हमको पुकारा करेगा, हमारे बिना क्या गुजारा करेगा. जरा टूटा है पर धड़कता भी है दिल, मोहब्बत की गलती दोबारा करेगा.
वाह, क्या बात.
The last day of the Literature Festival featured Mrs. Shubha Mudgal, who created an aura of calm and peace with her melodious voice. There was also a prolific session on the English poetry and Urdu shairi with young poets like Aqib Sabar, Faisal Fehmi and Pallav Mishra. Vice Chancellor Atul Khosla and the co-directors of the festival, Ashu Khosla and Manju Zaidka, made the closing remark and thanked all those involved in the organization of the fest.
And so I think I was brought up by my gurus, not just also of course the family upbringing that my parents gave me of being attentive towards literature and actually trying to learn as much as possible. But my gurus also really trained me to look at Sahitya as an important aspect of what I'm studying. And for example, one of the Chaitis that I learned, so these are compositions, these are songs that are sung during the month of Chaitra. And it says, बिनत बिनत कुम्हला गईले रामा जूही के फूलवा बिनत बिनत कुमला गईले रामा जूही के फूलवा. So the juhi, the flower, is so delicate that even as you pluck it, it starts wilting. Now, in one sense, you can take the literal meaning, but also a lot of the text that we sing is multi-layered. So look beyond the surface and you start finding a greater depth. And it could be, this could easily be interpreted as a commentary on transience. Life is also like this. The moment you start enjoying it, it's actually slipping away from you.
Thank you for such an comprehensive report. It was indeed a great start to the proposed annual Shulini Lit Fest. The inaugural function of the Lit Fest also included the release of the autobiography of the Chancellor of Shulini University, Professor P.K. Khosla. Priyasi, what details can you give us?
Tryst with Karma, an autobiography of Shulini University founder and Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla, was released by Ambassador Vishnu Prakash, a former Indian envoy to Canada and South Korea, at a virtual event last week. The 300-page autobiography details the life and experiences and provides insights into the thought process of Professor Khosla. The launch was attended by President of the Foundation of Life Sciences and Business Management, Mrs. Saroj Khosla, Pro-Chancellor Mr. Vishal Anand, Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla, and founding trustees Mr. Ashish Khosla and Mrs. Ashu Khosla, and former IAS Mr. Vivek Atre, among others. Chancellor Professor Khosla's view was sought on the idea behind writing the autobiography and the main theme of the book. Here is what he had to say.
My story is very simple. I believe that our script is written in heaven and we come on the earthly drama with that script, and good or bad, everything happens according to the laid out our karma. I'm a strong believer, whatever you do, you have to harvest that.
The Chancellor also shared his secret behind being so active and calm at an age of 82.
I am a disciple of Paramahansa Yogananda, and his book Autobiography of a Yogi has given me energy, and I am practicing Kriya Yoga, which is giving me energy even at the age of 80. So I say that age is only a number. Your vigor, your energy flows through the, I would say, the meditation technique.
Certainly a book worth reading. Moving on, February 18th is also celebrated as Prerna Divas in the university. The Divas coincides with the 81st birthday of the founder, Vice Chancellor and now Chancellor, Professor P.K. Khosla.
The Prerna Divas this year started with a puja at the university temple. It was followed by tree plantation drive and meditation at the Center of Theology. A cake cutting ceremony was also held. The day also marked the inauguration of the prestigious Cancer Research Lab in the newly created state-of-the-art Cancer Research Center. The center has created with an endowment of 1 crore rupees by a philanthropist, Mr. Raj Khosla. The day concluded with a cricket match between Chancellor's 11th and Registrar's 11th.
Thanks, Nikita. We now move on to our regular section, Ideas from Shulini. Aman tells us about a new scientific discovery.
Shulini University MTech Biotechnology student Kartik Chauhan and his collaborator Ishant Sharma has invented a unique 2-in-1 mini laminar flow cum incubator. It is a low-cost invention that can bring complex microbiology and biology experiments to school and colleges students. For non-scientists, a laminar flow and incubator are critical devices for experiment in microbiology and related biosubjects. Dean of Research Saurabh Kulshrestha said that the product is patent and ready for commercialize. It is absolutely functional and we at Shulini University use it, he said.
Congratulations Not just the students who are talented in the journalism department, the faculty doesn't lag behind. You have a look.
बाकी हो बाईरा नीली माँ बाकी हो
पानी री टांकिया बाईरा पानी री टांकी हो
जी हो रे बनाने तखते
अच्छा
जी हो रे बनाने तखते मिलना तमिल छोरी है
सच्ची
कल जाना रे पराए मुल्क मिलना तमिल छोरी है
ना
कल जाना रे पराए मुल्क
घड़ा भरी लेना धोई धोई के घड़ा भरी लेना धोई धोई के मैं तमिल लेना नित्य जो छोरुआ.
What a beautifully choreographed naughty dance. Before we close, here are the Shulini radio programs for the week by Arjun.
Hey everyone, I'm here with the list of upcoming radio shows are हेल्थ बातें बाय आरजे आरजू, बॉलीवुड क्लासिक बाय आरजे इंदू, बधाई हो वायरल हुआ है बाय आरजे पूर्वी, लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट फेक मत यार बाय आरजे रोहित. So this shows will be uploaded on my Shulni app, so go and tune into those. Bye.
That's it for the week. We shall be back next Friday with our 40th weekly bulletin. Till then, take care, stay safe.